As the Samsung Galaxy S24 series launch is nearing, we are unsurprisingly seeing the frequency of leaks increasing in tandem to ruin whatever Samsung plans to show at its next Unpacked event. Over the past few weeks, leaked images and renders of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra have given us a decent idea of what to expect in terms of design from each of the three versions. The Tech Insider Ice universe has shared some leaked side-by-side images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra on his X account, formerly known as Twitter. The leak shows us the variations in design between the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra by putting them side by side. As the photos show, the black one is the S24 Ultra. The overall design is pretty similar, and Samsung has made only a few changes. The S23 Ultra has a thickness of 8.9mm, while the S24 Ultra is slightly thinner at 8.6mm. The opening for the bottom-facing speaker is one of the most noticeable changes. The speaker on the S24 Ultra has been redesigned into a long bar, a change from the S23 Ultra's design. And at the top, there are now two speaker and mic holes instead of a single one. The air vents on the S24 Ultra have been moved to the top of the device. Samsung has also flattened out the bottom of the S Pen, which could make pushing the S Pen so it pops out slightly more conveniently as compared to the S23 Ultra. The volume buttons on the S24 Ultra are thicker compared to those on the S23 Ultra. Samsung uses a titanium alloy material for the S24 Ultra's frame instead of aluminum, as several rumors over the previous few months have confirmed, which gives it a better texture compared to the S23 Ultra. There's no visual indication of that in these photos, and even in the real world, the in-hand feel will be the main indicator that the phone has a titanium frame. Samsung has made the display a little less curvy on the Ultra model. The source of these photos also reveals information about the battery life and megapixel count of the primary camera, which are both identical to that of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. In actuality, several specs for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 series won't change, which might upset die-hard fans. It is obvious from these images that there are only a few design tweaks in the S24 Ultra that Samsung has made in terms of design. After all, Samsung is following Apple's iPhone strategy in terms of design. Anyway, both devices offer top-of-the-line features and specifications, making them excellent choices for anyone in need of a high-performance smartphone. However, the S24 Ultra's design changes and material upgrades provide a fresh look and feel that some users might prefer. What do you guys think of these leaked images? Mention one thing that you dislike about the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.